Hello everyone, this is Prompt Engineer. I would like to request my assistant to deliver the presentation. Please continue.
Langchain is a cutting-edge framework that was released in late 2022 and has already gained a lot of popularity among developers. It has been starred over 33,000 times on GitHub and has a thriving community of contributors and creators who are excited to use this framework to create amazing projects. So, what is Langchain exactly? It's a framework that enables developers to build end-to-end applications powered by large language models, LLMs. These LLMs can come from popular providers such as OpenAI, Hugging Face, Cohere, and more. With Langchain, you can easily integrate these models into your applications and combine them with your own data sources, such as an ocean database, PDFs, or emails. In this video, I have set myself a target to explain the 6 components of Langchain in under 6 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a fair understanding of the components, and with a little bit of practice, you would be able to create marvelous projects of your own as well. So, let's get started. Langchain makes it easier to build applications with LLMs through composability. Its functionality is divided into 6 different key components: models, prompts, indexes, memory, chains, and agents. Let's go through each of those. Firstly, models. Langchain provides a generic interface for LLMs, and there are 3 types of models: LLM, chat model, and embedding. LLM is a model that does text in and text out, while chat model takes a series of messages and returns a message output. Embedding is used to change your text into a vector, which holds the semantic meaning of your text. This type of model is mainly used when comparing 2 pieces of text together. Next up is prompts. The new way of programming models is through prompts. A prompt refers to the input to the model. Langchain provides for management, optimization, and serialization of prompts. This input is rarely hard-coded, but rather is often constructed from multiple components. A prompt template is responsible for the construction of this input. Example selectors are used by Langchain to understand from your example and construct the final prompt accordingly. Output parsers are used to get more structured information. Indexes. Indexes are used to structure documents for use with large language models. Document loaders are classes responsible for loading documents from various sources, while text splitters are classes responsible for splitting text into smaller chunks. Vector store is used to store vectors, and retrievers are interfaces for fetching relevant documents to combine with language models. Memory. Memory is the concept of storing and retrieving data in the process of a conversation. Langchain has an interface for memory and memory implementation. There are 2 main types of memory: short-term and long-term. Short-term memory generally refers to how to pass data in the context of a singular conversation, while long-term memory deals with how to fetch and update information between conversations. Chains. Langchain allows you to chain together multiple language models and prompt templates to create more complex and powerful applications. Chains are wrappers around a series of single components. For example, you can perform summary 1, summary 2, summary 3, and then the final summary. Agents. Langchain allows you to set up agents powered by large language models that can use tools like Google Search, Wikipedia, or a calculator, giving your applications unlimited power. An agent can use a single tool or a list of tools in the form of toolkits. That was a quick overview of how Langchain works. I shall include the link to the conceptual guide of Langchain in the description section. Also, if you would like to have a copy of this presentation in Canva, I have pasted the link to this presentation as well. And there you have it. In the next video, I will be showcasing multiple use cases of Langchain that have already been implemented by the community. If you don't want to miss out, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in AI. Until next time, happy prompting. Bye-bye.